for the wealthy, successful, money-making traders. This is your trader's friend. Thank you for joining me on this beautiful day the Lord has given us. Guys, I want to talk to you about something that's possibly controversial. And I say controversial because I hesitated to make this video because it goes against all that we've been heard, programmed, and taught. And it is that the trend is your friend. And I used to say the trend is your friend until it ends. Um, but the trend is not always your friend. And I want to take a look at these pairs and talk about this just a little bit. And there are going to be people who disagree with me. I respect that. But I want to say, as short term traders, trade opportunity. What's your friend is opportunity. The trend is not your friend. Opportunity is your friend. Now, if you get the opportunity to enter a valid trade setup based on your rules, then you can do that if you're comfortable. But let's take a look at this one for an example. So you can see clearly that price is headed in a bullish manner. However, at some point, and you can see how we never came to close below these candles, but at some point you got this setup. Now this setup was actually against that trend, and this setup lasted for over 8 hours before you got the opportunity to go in harmony with the overall trend. So let me ask you, are you going to miss 8 hours worth of profit just because you're not willing to trade against a trend? And I'm certainly not going to tell you to trade against the trend, but what I am going to tell you is that the trend is not always your friend. Opportunity is your friend. Here, you are looking to short from the high with again, with a valid candlestick reversal. Here, you got a beautiful counterfeit setup that says, hey, I'm ready to go back in harmony with the trend. This is almost 4 hours later. You got this huge engulf that pretty much went nowhere, and price went against it more than it went forward. So this is for the trend. This is against the trend. And I want to say, as short-term traders, at least for me, it is more beneficial to me to trade what I see, which is opportunity. When I see opportunity, then it's my job to trade that. Now this, look at all of this time that price runs up. Price runs up over an hour, and in 15 minutes, all of those profits are taken away. Are you going to miss the opportunity to make this money because it's against the trend? Now this was pretty much my baby. Just glorious. I traded with the trend last night on this. I traded against the trend on this last night because my job is to look for trading opportunities. And as a short-term trader, the trend that I am in right now is what's important to me. So my trends are short-term opportunities. A lot of times they go with the trend, but sometimes they go against the trend. And so am I to miss this money just waiting for this setup again? And look at all of this. Once you get this setup, price comes down. Well, bam! Am I going to miss the opportunity to ride the market back up? And the reason that these markets, well, last night this market was so important is because the swings were just like, just crazy profitable. Well, if you're on the right side of the trade, they were crazy profitable. But here you have an opportunity to go in harmony with your trend. Doesn't look like it's going to pan out too well. Here you are again. The trend against the trend. So I just wanted to say that the trend is not always your friend. The only true friend that you have in Forex. Even price action is not always your friend. That's how they get us with the counterfeit trade setup. However, opportunity is your only friend in the market. That's the only friend that you have. And if you are at a high, you are looking for shorting opportunities. If you're in the valley, so if you're on the hill, you're looking for opportunities to short. If you short from this hill and price comes back to close either your candle or the previous candle, get out. It is a trap. It's a trick. Get out and save yourself, because what will happen is if you cut that loss quickly and save yourself, the market will more than give you that money back. It will more than compensate your discipline. You just have to wait for the next trade setup and you'll get all that money back. Guys, I want to remind you that you can absolutely do this. You can be successful at Forex. Enjoy an amazing, wonderful, pip filled life. Also, keep in mind, as a short term trader, if you're a short term trader, you're looking to trade opportunity with the proper candlestick confirmation. Enjoy an amazing day.